All right, you guys, this is my LifeSmart hot tub. Basically, we've been having some issues with the lid. As you can see with this side, the foam inside is all broken up. Therefore, it caves in and fills up with water, and the top will fall down into the tub. This is actually what the foam looks like inside of the tub, all cracked in a lot of different pieces. Basically what we're doing is we're trying to repair that. What we've done is we went and bought some 1-inch by 4-foot by 8-foot sheets of foam from Lowe's. That's 3 pieces stuck together there. Your thickness may be different, but my lid had 3-inch foam inside. So what we've done is we've made a template of that and basically made this piece right here. Now we haven't exactly figured out how we're going to shield it. We might even actually just wrap this thing in duct tape completely just to seal it up. We've already glued it together pretty well, and then we're going to stuff it back into the cover and see how that works. And this is our final outcome. It's quite a bit more rigid, as you can see this side right here. I'll try to show you a little better. You see how it's humped in right here? It's like a big hole. This is the broken side, and this is our good side. A lot more rigid. We ended up actually having to shave the edges a little bit, knocking a couple inches off. We experimented with different ways to seal it up, possibly. As you can see, we tried spraying some Plasti Dip on there. We realized that that was going to take a massive amount of paint. So right now we're currently thinking we're about actually covering it in duct tape, just extremely tightly, and seeing how that goes. But we're going to test this out for a week, and if it works well, we're going to go ahead and replace this other side. For the time being, the other side is not dipping in the water yet, but it will be soon to come, and hopefully this other side will work so we can do that and basically have a new top.